Today we are at this park at a pergola. This pergola is made with concrete and wood. So we are going to place the Condomounts full motion monitor mount right here. Alright, so firstly what you must do is take the main TV plate, alright, and place it onto the pillar that you want your monitor to go on. Alright, use these specially designed ratchets to tighten your TV plate. Alright, there are two straps for this TV plate, one at the top and the other one at the bottom. Alright, so here we have the TV plate already installed. Okay, next for the arm, the first arm, alright, use this attachment where you have these two holes, alright, and then screw the attachment onto the arm. For the second arm, you must first attach this wire holding place so that you could place your wires later. Alright, then attach the arm to the first arm and use the attachment given and screw it in. So here we have the two arms attached onto the main plate. Next, for the monitor, I've already placed the attachment. Make sure it faces up and then attach it to the arm. So there you go, we are done placing this monitor mount. It's a full motion mount. See you guys later.